In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for free. Canva is a beginner-friendly design tool that runs right in your browser, so you don't need to install anything to get started. First, head to the Canva homepage. If you are new, create a free account using your email, or sign in with a Google or Facebook login. This lets your designs auto-save to your account so you can come back to them anytime from any device. Once you are in, it's time to pick a starting point. At the top, use the search bar to find what you need, maybe an Instagram post, a presentation, or a resume. Canva offers thousands of templates, and many are completely free to use. To make sure you are staying on the free plan, choose designs and elements that do not show a little crown icon. That crown marks pro only content. If you ever click something with a crown by mistake, don't worry, just pick a different free option before you download. You can also start from a blank canvas if you want total control. But templates are a great shortcut for layout and sizing. After you open a template, you'll land in Canva's drag and drop editor. Click any text to rewrite it with your own words, and use the toolbar to change fonts, sizes, and colors. Keep your text brief and legible. Bigger font sizes and high contrast colors are easier to read, especially on mobile. To add your own photos or logos, open the Uploads tab and bring in your files. Then drag them onto the canvas. If you don't have images on hand, explore the Elements tab to find free photos, shapes, icons, lines, and graphics. Use the search box there to narrow down a style or theme, and remember to avoid anything with a crown icon. You can resize items by pulling on the corners, rotate them with the handle, and drag to reposition. Snap guides will help you align things neatly. Consistency matters, so try to stick to 2 or 3 fonts and a simple color palette. When your design looks the way you want, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner. Then select Download. On a free account, you can save your design as JPG, PNG, or PDF. For social media, PNG gives crisp quality. JPG is smaller for faster uploads, and PDF is great if you are printing or sharing a document. Choose your format, check the preview, and hit download. Your file will save to your device and you are ready to post, present, or share. That's it. Thanks for watching.